This is the VL10. It's a beautiful ruggedized smartwatch. Lots of different controls here, brightness settings, Bluetooth calling in this one, do not disturb, changing your menu layout, information about the watch, and more. Pull out the side tab. You got your date and time, most recently used apps, temperature, and Bluetooth calling. Come over this way. You've got your step count, calories burned, distance traveled for the day, and a chart showing you over the last 24 hours your actual steps, along with your last 7 days and an average. You got a heart rate right here, and it'll give you your heart zones, your 24-hour heart rate, and your average heart rate as well. Or you can just let it sit here and take an instantaneous heart rate. You've got last night's sleep time broken into light and deep, and the last 7 days data, weather in your area, the current conditions and temperature, a built-in music player that can stream music through this Bluetooth calling watch, nice and loud. It's a really good speaker. You've got all of your different workouts, running, hiking, cycling, and more. Those are all here. I touched one, so it'll begin and give you your time, your heart rate, and calories burned is typically what you do. Then, from here, you can slide up to get messages sent from your phone if you want. Tap the power button to turn it off. Tap the back button to get into all of your apps, including your telephone contacts and call records, voice assistant. You can interrogate Siri or Google. All of the data we've looked at before already. Blood pressure and blood oxygen are in this one as well. Uses the red diode for the blood oxygen. Ladies, you got your female cycle information. There's stopwatches, timers, calendars, calculators, business cards, everything. A remote camera. There's the fun little compass that's in this one. It's snappy, responsive, and accurate. I'm sitting in the north, and that's generally where it's telling me I'm at. You got your settings, which give you, of course, your basic QR code, password protection, and the shutdown or restart capabilities of the watch too. Multiple watch faces, just tap and hold, and you can go over and select from several different attractive ones if you'd like to. Comes with a nice rubberized band. It's pretty thin, 2 buttons on the side, well put together. It's the VL10. Check it out.